and welcome to the Sun Salutation Challenge. Firstly, this is a complete coincidence. We're not usually that well coordinated.
We are coordinated.
So close. But anyway, you should see us for Christmas jumpers, his and hers all the way. Okay, so thanks for joining. Welcome to the Sun Salutation Challenge. Starting with the toes touching, heels slightly further apart. Place the hands facing forward, and then depending on the space, inhaling, reaching the hands high, they can rotate wide or forward. Exhale, forward fold, hands to mat, head to knees. Inhaling, look forward, and exhaling, step or lightly jump to the back of the mat. Bring the knees to the floor, start with a modified chaturanga. Exhale, lower. Keep the elbows tucked in, bring the chest to the floor. Inhaling upward to cobra pose or upward dog.
Cobra or up dog, good.
Exhaling lower, push back into a child's pose, forehead to mat. And then inhaling, come to a downward dog, pedal the feet out. So noticing how we spread the weight equally from both hands and feet. Look down towards the toes. Inhaling, bend the knees. Exhaling, step or lightly jump to the front of the mat. Inhale, look forward. And exhale, fold. Inhaling, hands reaching up towards the ceiling. Gaze towards your thumbs. And exhale, forward fold now. Sun Salutation 2, head to knees. Inhale, flat back, look forward. Exhaling, hands to the floor, take a step back, plank pose. Modified chaturanga or chaturanga, exhale, lower. Inhaling, upward dog or cobra pose. Exhaling, downward dog. Inhaling, step forward now with your right foot. Left foot turns, warrior one. So the back is straight, hands reaching up, chest, hips, shoulders facing forward. Exhaling, hands to mat. Take a step back, downward dog. Inhale, step forward now with your left foot, right foot turns. Left knee above left ankle, hands reach high. Chest, hips, shoulders face forward. You can either look forward or look between the hands. And exhaling, hands to mat. Take a step back, downward dog. Stay here for a few breaths. Inhaling, bend the knees. Exhaling, step or lightly jump to the front of the mat. And exhale, chest to thigh, head to knees. Inhaling, hands sweep wide or come up through the centre line. Look towards your thumbs and coming into Sun Salutation 3, speeding it up ever so slightly, hands to mat, head to knees. Inhale, lengthen, look forward. Exhale, step, lightly jump to the back of the mat, lower chaturanga. Inhaling, upward dog. Knees can be on the floor. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, step forward with your right foot. Left foot turns, warrior one. Maybe come deeper now into that front thigh power coming to the floor. Hands reaching high. So we're lengthening from body, engage that navel. Pull to spine. Exhale, hands to mat. Take a step back, downward dog. Inhaling, step forward, left foot. Right foot turns, warrior one. Left knee stays above the left ankle. If you want to go deeper, maybe scooch that left foot forward a little bit. Look forward or between the hands. Exhaling, hands to mat. Take a step back, downward dog. Take 2 breaths here. Inhaling and exhaling through the nose. 1 more breath. Keep grounding through palms of the hands. Push the sitting bones high. Inhaling, bend the knees. Exhaling, step, lightly jump to the front of the mat. Nice one, Shannon. Inhale, lengthen, look forward. And exhale, fold. Inhaling, hands swing wide. 2 more to go. And exhale, fold. Hands to mat, head to knees. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, step. Lightly jumping to the back of the mat, then lowering chaturanga. Warming the body up nicely. Inhaling, upward dog. Don't jump the gun there, Shannon. Exhaling, downward dog. Inhaling, step forward with your right foot. Left foot turns. So grounding through the outside of your left foot, little toe maybe pinching towards the floor. Shoulders draw away from the ears. And exhaling. Hands to mat, take step back, downward dog. Inhaling, step forward with your left foot. Right foot turns, warrior one. So within every position there's several subtle adjustments you can make by repeating these poses. Gives us a chance to talk about several of those adjustments. Right leg straight. Exhaling, hands to mat, take step back, downward dog. Inhaling, bend the knees, exhaling, step, or lightly jumping to front of the mat. Look forward, flat back, lengthen those hamstrings, and pivoting from the hips, chest to thighs. Inhaling, reaching the hands high. And exhale, fold. Come straight down into the Sun Salutation. Inhale, flat back, look forward. Exhaling, step or lightly jump to the back of the mat. Lower chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, step forward. Left foot turns. Warrior one. And exhaling, hands to mat. Step back, downward dog. Step forward on the inhale, left foot. Right foot turns, warrior one. Exhaling, hands to mat. Step back, downward dog. Inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, step. Lightly jump to the front of the mat. Inhale, flat back, look forward. Exhale, fold. Inhaling, hands sweep wide. Palms together. And lower to heart center. So hopefully you found that a good start to the morning. What I'd like to try and do is to give more instructions, more cues, modifications at the start, so as we go through. And then by the time we get to the last of the Sun Salutations, hopefully by repeating the same position, the same poses, that you need maybe less instructions, you're more familiar with where we're trying to go to. Thanks for joining.
Thanks, Tim.
Have a good rest of the day.
Bye.